Welcome back, biology students. We are going into week 17 of the first semester. We are, in fact, finishing up the first semester here. So we got week 17 that runs from today until December 4th. And then you have next week, which will go to December 11th. And then the week after that is the last week before semester ends, which will be the week dedicated for a final exam or retaking quizzes that you need to take or retake to get the best score that you possibly can. So you basically got about 2.5 weeks. My grades are going to be submitted on the 17th, I believe they are. So that is approximately 18 days from now. And what you got is what you got. So I've been very lenient. I've been trying to give you opportunities. I've been trying to tell you to get to work. And if you have not taken advantage of these opportunities, unfortunately, there's some folks who may be failing first semester, and you're going to have to take the first semester of biology all over again at a later date. But we don't want that to be the case, and there's still a possibility to get your grade up to at least a D so you can pass the class. So do what you need to. In fact, this week we have a big opportunity with a large quiz. So let's actually talk about that. Let's go show you what you need to get done this week. Not that. Okay, so we are in week 17. Basically, what we're doing this week is we're going to combine the learning from the last 3 weeks. So 3 weeks ago, we learned about photosynthesis. 2 weeks ago, we learned about macromolecules. Last week, we talked about cellular respiration. Those three topics go together, and I'm calling all of that cellular processes. What are you going to do with that information? Well, you should have turned in a concept map on Monday of this week. That was due. We have a quiz this week. I'm going to go over how those processes kind of relate to one another in class on Monday and Tuesday. We're going to have some notes, very quick notes. It's not really new information. It's to kind of talk about how photosynthesis relates to cellular respiration and try and give you some basic understanding so that when you take that quiz, which is a really big quiz, you are prepared to do well on it. That's what we want. Also, to help you do well on that quiz is we're going to do a Kahoots on Wednesday and Thursday. So if you don't show up on Wednesday or Thursday, you can't get any points for that. So come to the meeting on Wednesday and Thursday, bring your notes, and we will do a little fun game that goes over a review of the quiz. So you are prepared to take that quiz. Now, if you want to take the quiz ahead of time, you're more than welcome, but I would honestly wait until we've done the notes on Monday and Tuesday and done the review on Wednesday and Thursday, because that will give you the best chance to get the best grade, right? So that's what we want. All right, so assignment number 1 is a quiz called Cellular Processes. It's for week 17, which is this week. So that's in Jupyter, as they always are. Sorry, it says week 13 here. That is incorrect. It's week 17. The notes that we take on Monday and Tuesday, I will put them right here once we are done taking them. They won't be very long, maybe about a page or so. And then again, on Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be playing Kahoots. So in class on Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday for period 1, Thursday for periods 2, 4, and 6, I will give you the link to the Kahoots. Then we will all click on that link, go over to it on our phones and or computers or other devices and play. And one key thing is when you put your name into the Kahoots, make sure you put your actual name. I know people like to do aliases and things like that, but if I can't recognize your name, I can't give you credit for participating. So please make sure that you give a proper name. If you don't come, you don't get those points, but it's a good review. It'll go over the questions on the quiz. Okay. All right. That is what we got going on this week. Pretty straightforward. I will see all of you on Monday and Tuesday to talk about cellular respiration and photosynthesis and kind of nail all this stuff down. And then we'll go to the Kahoots on Wednesday, Thursday. All right. Have a good one.